fragile line. I have known it all this time, but I never thought I'd live to see it break. It's getting dark and it's all too quiet, and I can't trust anything now. And it's coming over you like it's all a big mistake. Oh, holding my breath, won't lose you again. Something's made your eyes go cold.
She was a lonely girl in a cold world. It seemed like no one could console her, and she would laugh, but she was crying on the inside. And all this pain she felt inside, she just couldn't hide. But at parties she would seem to act just fine, and drink her problems away until they subside. And they did, but with time, they would come back to haunt her. The drugs and the alcohol turned her to a monster. But she didn't care, she was looking for a quick fix. Looking in the mirror, going out, new lipstick, wanting to be the girl that